Hi, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are making banana bread by Creative Nature. You don't need a lot of products to create this, and I thought it'd be easy and fun thing to do when you can't go out. Well, not as often anymore. So this video is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, there's not much to explain, but just watch and I guess relax. So really quickly, I wanted to point out that I found banana chips in the mixture and I took them out separately and put it to a side to put on top as a finishing touch. And this is just a quick snack break. I had some fresh oranges and a little bit of honey. Just added some hot water while I was waiting for the banana bread to bake. And she's out the oven and she is looking so good. Now when I say it was delicious, it really was delicious. You're gonna see what I mean in a minute, so stay tuned. So we have come to the end of the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.